Top 5 apps like Zapaka reviews that actually work today. If you love discovering stylish clothing and want honest, real reviews before you buy, stay right here. Most people search for Zapaka reviews because they want vintage style dresses that actually match the pictures online. But the surprising truth is, there are other apps that offer the same charm with reliable customer feedback and faster shipping. Number 1. Shine. You won't believe how much variety it offers. Daily drops dresses under $20 and millions of user reviews with real photos. It's one of the easiest ways to find pieces similar to Zapaka's retro vibes. Number 2. ASOS. Known for quality control, fair return policies, and a wide range of sizes, you can check verified customer ratings to avoid surprises when your order arrives. Number 3. MotCloth. If vintage style is what you're after, MotCloth delivers with unique prints and inclusive sizing. Reviews often mention fit details, helping you make a confident choice. Number 4. H&M app. Beyond fast fashion basics, H&M has limited edition collections that capture old Hollywood styles. Their sustainability program also lets you recycle clothes for discounts. Number 5. Forever 21 app. Perfect for budget shoppers who still want that elegant, special occasion look. User reviews help you spot the hidden gems that actually hold up after a few wears. All 5 of these apps give you what Zapaka fans love: unique designs, glamorous silhouettes, and helpful community feedback to guide each purchase. So before you guess and hope for the best with online shopping, try any of these apps that have already earned trust from millions of style lovers. The best part? You can mix affordability with creativity and still look amazing. Explore, compare, and enjoy transforming your wardrobe without stress. Thanks for watching, and stay stylish.